It's me, obesity. Feed me anything.
I got a question.
I know about 1,000,000 foods. I'll eat everything.
Alright. What's the specialty of France?
Oh oui, oui, oui. Le crêperie, merci.
Okay, what does the cow make?
Oh oui, oui, oui. It's the cookie. Yum cookie.
Alright.
Do you have some fries, or maybe apple pies? 1, 2, 3, and so where did all the snacks go? Hey, it's me, it's gluttony. Feed me anything. I know about 1,000,000 foods. I'll eat everything.
Why does the fish have looked so tight?
Oh, tee, just give the key. I'm hungry.
Why do you know where I eat?
I just know, I always know, I'm close. Do you have some fries, or maybe apple pie?